SOLAS Chapter 3, Regulations 19 and 20. SOLAS Chapter 3 outlines the regulations for life-saving appliances and the arrangement ensuring the safety and preparedness of the ship and their crews in emergency situation. Overview of SOLAS Chapter 3. 1. Life-saving appliances. Detailed requirements for type of quality of life-saving equipment on board, such as lifeboats, life rafts, and personal floating devices. Number 2 is crew preparedness. Regulation for emergency training, drills, and maintenance to ensure crews are ready to respond effectively in an emergency. Number 3 is operational readiness. Procedures for maintaining and inspecting life-saving equipment to ensure proper working condition at all times. Regulation 19, Emergency Training and Drills. Number 1 is abandoned ship drills. Crew must conduct regular abandoned ship drills to practice evacuating the vessel and launching lifeboats and or rafts. Number 2 is fire drills. Crews must be trained to respond and to extinguish fires, including use of fire extinguisher and other firefighting equipment. 3 is man overboard drills. Crew must practice retrieving a person who has fallen overboard, including the use of boats and other life-saving equipment. Regulation 20. Operational readiness, maintenance, and inspection. Operational readiness. At all life-saving appliances must be maintained in good working order and ready for immediate use in emergency. Maintenance. Regular inspection and maintenance must be performed at all life-saving equipment to ensure the proper condition. Inspection. Periodic inspection by the ship captain or designated crew member are required to verify the operational readiness of life-saving equipment. Importance of emergency preparedness. Life-saving gear. Ensuring all life-saving equipment is in good working order and ready and available. Crew training. Regular emergency drills and training to prepare crews for effective response. Maintenance. Productive maintenance and inspection to keep life-saving equipment operational. Compliance. Adherence to SOLAS regulation ensure the life of the ship and crew. Crew training and emergency drills. Number 1 is abandoned ship. Crew must be trained to quickly and safely evacuate the vessel and launch lifeboats, all life rafts. Number 2 is fire response. Crew must be able to locate the used firefighting equipment to extinguish onboard fires. 3 is man overboard. Crews must be able to effectively retrieve a person who has fallen overboard using rescue boats and other equipment. Maintenance and inspection requirements. Regular inspection. Life-saving appliances must be inspected by the ship captain or designated crew member on a periodic basis. Maintenance schedules. A maintenance plan must be in place to ensure life-saving equipment is kept in good working condition. Corrective action. Any issues or deficiencies identified during inspection must be promptly addressed and corrected. Ensuring compliance and best practices. Compliance. Strict adherence to SOLAS Chapter 3 regulation is mandatory for all ships. Best practices. Implementing additional safety measures beyond the minimum requirements can further enhance crew preparedness. Record keeping. Detailed documentation of all emergency training, drills, and equipment maintenance is essential. Continuous improvement. Regularly reviewing and updating emergency protocols and procedures based on the industry best practices.